In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Grammarly subscription and get money back. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect during cancellation, and how to confirm everything went through. First, open a web browser and go to account Grammarly.com. Sign in to your premium account using the same login you used when you purchased the plan. If you usually sign in with a third-party option, like Google or Apple, use that here as well. Once you are in, double-check that you are on the correct account by looking for your current plan status. If you don't see an active premium plan, you may be logged into a different profile. Next, head to your account settings. Look for your profile area, then open the subscription tab. This section houses your plan details, billing cycle, and payment method. If you are on a smaller screen, you may need to expand a menu to find subscription. Take a moment to review your next renewal date so you know when billing would occur if you didn't cancel. Now scroll to the bottom of the subscription page and select Cancel Subscription. Sometimes this can appear as a smaller link or be tucked under a Manage option. So don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. Clicking this begins the cancellation flow. You'll be guided through a few prompts to confirm. Continue by selecting Yes. Continue whenever asked. Grammarly may ask why you are leaving. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. You might also see offers to pause or modify your plan. If your goal is to cancel completely, keep selecting the option to proceed until you reach a final confirmation on screen. Pay attention to any note about how long you'll retain premium features. In many cases, you keep access until the end of your current billing period, even after canceling. Finally, check your email for a confirmation message from Grammarly. This message is your official proof that the subscription is canceled, and it typically includes details such as your plan end date. If you don't see it within a few minutes, look in your spam or promotions folder. Keep this email for your records. Regarding getting your money back, cancellation generally stops future renewals, and refunds depend on Grammarly's current refund policy and your plan's timing. If you are eligible, your confirmation email will usually outline any refund details and the expected timeline. Monitor your payment statement to see the adjustment reflected. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to subscription, canceled, confirmed, and verified by email. Thanks for watching.